So hi guys, it's Kev again and welcome back after a massive long break to some more walking vlogs. I'm getting pulled all over because I've got a new companion with me. So yeah, never really achieved my goal last year of losing the weight, so it's January, New Year's resolutions and all that. So I'm out again. I'm hoping to be losing a bit of weight, get some fitness and all that stuff, so thought I'd bring you along and switch the camera up in a minute from over. That's crap. So it's a cold one. Can't even think what the date is. I think it's about the 7th or the 8th of January. It's just above freezing, 1 degrees. I've switched it out a little bit. I've gone for the GoPro. I've got it on a bit of a selfie stick at the minute, and I'm going to switch it over to the head mount now, so you can get it from my perspective. And we'll see how it works out. If not, I'll probably switch back to the old video camera. It's got that awesome zoom on it for long distance shots, but we'll see. Mora nearly falling over. Dog's pulling me over the place with this ice. But sun's on me and it's dry, so all's good. So switched it up. Let's get this dog run free a bit. Switched it up then. We're now onto the head mount, and let's see what the footage turns out like. It should be alright, it should be fairly stable. GoPro should be fairly close to my mouth, so you should be able to hear me nice and clear, so we'll just see how it goes. Never know, if it all turns out rubbish, I won't upload it, and then it'll look like tomorrow's my first day. But yeah, this is my sister's dog, 1-year-old Staffy called Stella. She's the worst dog in the world to walk. She'll run full blast now until she extends the cord out and then get yanked back. So I was taking her up until November time. I was taking her. Hi, Steph. I was taking her a lot, but then I had got that real bad bug and everything else, and I stopped coming out. And then it was Christmas, and well, maybe should have recorded some of them, but whatever. Okay, so one drawback we've already got with having the GoPro on the head mount, especially with listening to earphones, I can't tell when the bloody thing's on or off. I'll have to rethink this. Okay, the app's just told me we're about 2 kilometres in, 26 minutes, but I've had to sort of dog poo out. She stopped for a couple of wees, and some of that time is putting her leads on and that harness and everything at the house, so that's not really a true description of my pace. I think we'll let her off here. Go on then. Wait. Good girl. Go on then. Come on then. Good girl. Come on then. Good girl, Stel. So we've just reached 3 kilometre mark. 37 minutes. So that means that last kilometre was 11 minutes, which is more like the pace I'm used to. So it's not bad. It's not a bad morning. My ears are freezing though. I've got the GoPro under my woolly hat, and it don't quite cover my ears. Oof, they're cold. There you go, Pooch. Yeah. In the meantime, since I've done some of these walks, I started up a new channel. It's called A Life of a Daddy and Daughter. It's something for me and Lily to share our adventures, other than camping. Jesus, look at that trash in there. yeah, anything else we're doing, so we can post videos that's not necessarily camping or outdoors related. And one of them was magnet fishing on this very bridge, so go out and check the channel out. It's called A Life of a Daddy and Daughter. It's only got about 35 subscribers at the minute and 3 videos, but as the weather just picks up a little bit, we will be working more fly tip. We will be working to get a lot more videos on the channel, but I've just been tweaking the Woodland campercraft at the minute. I've been working with a few people. I've been working a lot with Gareth from Gareth and Zoe Wildcamps. He's really into the editing side and photography and computers and that, so he's been helping me with intros and advice. So yeah, thanks Gareth. I'll drop a link in the description. So I'm sure most of the people that have been watching me will already be sub to Gareth's equipment. Well, that hide or whatever was in there last May, gone, look. It's just sort of a platform left now. This will be slippy, I guarantee it. Whoa. The river's pretty low. Stella, come on. Stella, come on. Go on then, pick it up. I told you to wait. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. Stella, wait. That's a good girl. Listen to me, hey? You go jumping off. I ain't jumping in there, it's freezing. So 6k then, 12 minutes of, okay, that's not bad for river walking. Yeah, probably got, I don't know, 3k left, and then that's day one done. It's a bit warmer, obviously my core temperature's warmer. I can feel a bit of heat from the sun on my back, and yeah, the endorphins have been released, I think, because my mood has definitely cheered up a bit, which is good. More fly tip, look, countryside, big fridge freezer and half a bike. Put the dog back on the lead. There's a car just behind us. They had 3 big dogs, so rather than chancing her bolting it, come on, I put her on the lead, and now they're not coming. That's some pretty thick ice. Must be about 15 mil. Where is it still? Crazy dog. Go on. Not going back on your lead yet. That's it then. Just got back into the village, and that's the end of the walk. We'll see how the footage has turned out, and I'll just bring you the info off the app as soon as I just get in the house, and that'll be it. So that's it, let's do it again tomorrow. So here we are then, I'm back at home, I'm in the editing studio. So I'll just bring today's hike up, 9.18 kilometres, there we go, the 8th for the first, and 9.2, average 12.3, but I have to mess around with the dog, 2,000 calories, and an hour and 55 minutes. So if I do the same route tomorrow, let's try and beat the time, eh?